All right, what is happening right now? Bitcoin just slipped under $100,000, and the entire market is absolutely losing its mind. You've got people on X screaming, bear market confirmed. You've got whales dumping and traders crying over liquidations like it's 2022 all over again. But hold on, because what's happening behind the scenes isn't just another dip. There's something much bigger going on here, and if you miss it, you are going to regret it in 6 months. So, Bitcoin's been teasing that $100,000 line for months, and then, boom, it finally drops. Now why? Three words: liquidations, leverage, and panic. Over $400 million in positions got wiped out in a matter of hours. That is not your everyday dip. That is the crypto equivalent of a fire sale. Traders went full FOMO on leverage, thinking we'd see 120K in a week. But guess what? The whales saw all that hype and they dumped on it. Now everyone's looking for someone to blame. The Fed, ETFs, institutions. When honestly, it's just market physics. You fly too close to the sun, you get burned. Plus, the latest inflation numbers came in hot again. The Fed hinted at holding interest rates for longer, and all risk assets are trembling. It's not just crypto. The Nasdaq's red, gold's twitching, and even oil looks nervous. But here's the interesting part. Bitcoin used to crash because of crypto-specific news. Now it's moving with global markets. That means Bitcoin is officially part of the big money world now. And when the big money gets nervous, Bitcoin bleeds too. This isn't just retail panic anymore. It's institutional rotation. Now, if you've been watching the whales, this is where it gets spicy. Some big wallets, and I mean massive wallets, actually bought this dip. Yeah, while the rest of X was having a complete meltdown, these guys were quietly accumulating millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Meanwhile, smaller traders were dumping their bags in fear. That is the exact same pattern we see every single time. Whales play chess. Retail plays checkers. So while everyone's panicking, the people who actually move the market are setting up their pieces for the next big wave. Whether that's another run to 150,000 or a fake out before we see 80K, they're always one step ahead. Let's be honest. Crypto is 90% psychology and 10% charts. Everyone says they're a long-term holder, right up until those red candles show up. Then suddenly, it's all, bro, should I sell? And that is exactly why the whales win. They don't care about the noise. They care about moments just like this, when fear is at its absolute maximum and prices are cheap. So if you're freaking out right now, just take a breath. The market runs on emotion, and emotion is the best discount system ever created. The real question now is this the end of the bull run, or just a pause before Bitcoin shocks everyone again? No one can predict the bottom. Not me, not you, and not even that one guy on X who always tweets, "I told you so." But what we can do is read the signs. The whales are buying. Retail is panicking. The media is screaming. That combination, historically, it usually means we're near a major turning point. So yeah, Bitcoin's under 100K, the world's panicking, and your feed is full of doom and gloom. But if history tells us anything, it's that the loudest fear usually comes right before the biggest moves. Stay alert. Stay informed. And for the love of crypto, stop trading based on memes. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment on where you think Bitcoin goes next, 80,000 or 150,000. I'll see you in the next one. This is MarketX, decoding the chaos, one chart at a time.